Okay, we're just running too fast. Up this, Mommy.
What?
I think the princesses talk Spanish.
Yeah.
Just like, well, there you go.
Oh.
Bye, Mom.
Oh, can you please wait for me, Jacob?
Okay.
Wait. Stop. Don't move. Jacob.
Mom.
Hey, come here and help me. Thank you. Why won't my... Is that him or the screen? James?
It's him.
Stop moving fast. Stop
Mom,
playing.
you have to move fast for me because
Well,
I'm
my
trying to
character
catch up.
sucks, dude. You won't do anything.
Hi. Okay, let's just run fast. Okay, let's go together. Jump, jump.
Now he's flying, and then all of a sudden he's like... Hurry up.
Mommy, you killed me.
Frustrating, isn't it? Here, come here. I gotta save you, or we're gonna have bad level. Come here.
Mommy.
I'm trying to save. See, now I'm gonna die.
Why won't Mommy save you?
Because he won't let me near him.
Is it your fault, Jacob?
No.
Whose is it?
Mommy won't kill. Mommy just keeps doing that.
That'd make me angry.
See, Jacob, you just killed me.
Oh, don't worry. I can get you real quick. I just have to... See?
Hey,
No jump. Fly.
I'm trying.
Mommy, get me. You didn't get me.
I'm trying. Where are you?
I'm back here.
Oh, can you please stop, James?
Okay,